Good morning all. Today we are going to learn about adverbs, and we all know that we are learning about parts of speech, and there are 8 different types of parts of speech, and we are reading one by one. So we have already completed till verb. So today we are going to learn about adverb. Tell me, what is adverb? Adverb is nothing but adverb. Adverb is nothing but it adds the meaning. Meaning to the verb or a sentence. So, what is the work of the adverb? Adverb will add meaning or it modifies the verb. Okay? Hope you all understood. Adverb is nothing but it just adds the meaning or modifies the verb or a sentence. So, today we are going to learn about adverbs and how they are going to modify. There are 4 different categories. They are how they modify. Action. Action. How they modify. We all know action is nothing but it's a verb. How they modify. Where they modify. When they modify. And how often they modify. How often they modify. These adverbs are modified into 3 major categories. They are how they modify, when they modify, and where they modify, and how often they modify. So today let us go in a detailed way. Let's see some examples of. Firstly, we will see how they modify. How? So, it manner. Right? Is the adverb of manner. How they are going to modify. Let's see. Let's look into some examples. They are the alarm rang loudly. So, we all know alarm rang loudly. Here, loudly. How the alarm rang? It rang loudly. So, here, loudly is the adverb. So, how it rang? It rang loudly or softly or slowly. So, how the alarm rang here? It rang loudly. So, next one. Harry ran quickly. Harry ran. Did he ran? How did he ran? He ran very quickly. So here, quickly. How he ran? He ran quickly. What is the manner here? Quickly. So it tells us about the manner of a verb. So adverb of a manner. So here it says about adverb of a manner. So how did Harry ran? He ran quickly. So here adverb is quickly. So next one we are going to learn about where. Where. So where? Where means what? Ekkada. So how? How is nothing but elaga. The alarm rang loudly means alarm gattiga mogindi. Ela mogindi? Gattiga. So that word specifies the manner. Elaga gattiga mogindi. So how? Harry ran quickly. Ela Harry, how did he run? He ran very quickly. Fast ga run chesadu anamata. So it tells about the manner. ఏదైనా చేయడం ఎలా చేసామన్నది ఎలా ఉంది అన్నది it tells us about the how tells us about the adverb of manner. So here coming to where. Okay, Where? Where ante ekkada? I kept my book. I kept my book somewhere. There. There. Ekkada pettanu? Akkada pettanu. So we have to, we'll look into some examples and then I'll explain. Put the cake there. Put the cake there. Where I have to put the cake? Somebody came to my house. They brought a cake. So I asked them, put the cake there. Okay? అక్కడ పెట్టండి. కేక్ ని అక్కడ పెట్టండి. ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి? అక్కడ. Specific place. On the table or on the chair, in the kitchen or etc. So here, next one. I looked everywhere for my book. So here, I looked everywhere for my book. Where is my book? I don't know. I looked everywhere. ekkadaina chusanu na book kanipinchatledu. So I searched everywhere. So here, everywhere is adverb. Okay, understood? It tells us about the place. Tells us about the place. So go through that. So here the action, adverb categorizes into 4 different ways, like how, where, when and how often. Here how, adverb of manner. Elaga means the alarm rang loudly and the Harry ran quickly. Here coming to the next one, where. Where means it specifies the place. Where? There. It's here. It's somewhere else. So put the cake there. I looked everywhere for my book. I lost my book and I was searching for my book everywhere. Okay? I hope you all understood till here. Now just moving on. Next one is when. When. When is adverb of time. When. ఎప్పుడు జరిగింది? So when it tells us about the adverb of time. It specifies the verb by putting time. So Kirti went to gym today. So what happened? Kirti went to gym. ఎప్పుడు వెళ్ళింది? Today. So it is telling about time. When she went, when did she go? Today. Okay? Today is the time. So today is the adverb. Next, coming to the next example. They go out to dinner weekly. They go out to the dinner weekly. Means here adverb is when they will go every week. So weekly is a adverb here. Hope you understood till here. Now next one. When is nothing but the adverb of time. That's an adverb of time. Kirti went to gym today. ఈ రోజు కీర్తి జిమ్ కి వెళ్ళింది. And they go out to dinner every week. Every week they go out to dinner weekly. Every week they are going. So we are specifying the time here. Okay? Today there is no school. Means ee roju school ledu. So this describes about the time. Tomorrow is a holiday. So when is the holiday? Tomorrow. So it specifies the time. Okay? Hope you all understood about the lesson. Now how often? Next category and the last category is how often. Sometimes, for example, sometimes he play cricket. When he plays, sometimes he plays. Oh, he plays cricket. So we know that he plays cricket. Okay. When he plays, sometimes when he has time, he'll play cricket. Okay. Sometimes he play cricket. Okay. We all are having some of the other hobbies. When we have time. Sometimes I like to paint. Sometimes I like to read stories or novels. Means how often I learn? Sometimes when I have time, when I have leisure. Okay. So sometimes he play cricket. Hope you all understood the lesson. Adverbs are nothing but they adds meaning to the verbs. Okay. They adds or they modifies the verbs is nothing but adverbs. They are divided into they modify into 4 different categories. They shows how specific, how, elaga. Whether it's a fast, it's a quickly, is slowly or like that. And where అంటే ఎక్కడ ఏ ప్లేస్ పర్టికులర్ ప్లేస్ అనేది ఉంటుంది కదా that one. When ఏ time లో whether it's a night or morning or in the morning or in the afternoon like that or today or tomorrow comes under when. How often means at times, when we have times. Sometimes I like to paint. Okay, when I have time I like to paint. I like to sing a song. I like to sing. I like to listen music. I like listening to music. I like listening music when I have time. I like to dance. Okay, these all comes under how often. Hope you all understood about the adverbs. Thank you. Keep practicing.